Part of general engineering practice, you know we have three modules: fitting, welding and sheet metal. So along with these three modules, we once again have one more module for you, which is there only for your demonstration, which is a domestic wiring teaching aid. So why we need to study is only for the purpose of the domestic wiring, to know the knowledge about the wiring. So because of this reason, we have this domestic wiring teaching aid as a part of demo for you in this general engineering practice.
So first you can have a look on fluorescent lamp wiring. So in this 230 volts is the main supply of single phase and 5 amps, and this one is a DP switch. It is double pole switch along with the switch to switch on and switch off the fluorescent lamp. So different components in the fluorescent lamps are: this one is rheostat, normally called as choke, and this one is capacitor to improve the power factor, and this one is starter to on and off, to cut off the starting power, and these two are the side holders, and this one is a lamp. So now all the wiring has been made, only the main supply will show how to connect the main supply. So black one for neutral and red one for phase. So the connection, everything has been made. The connection has made as per the connection wiring diagram, which is given in our manual in the page number 64. Now the main supply is on. So first we have to switch on the DP, that is double pole switch. You can see the LED is glowing. Now we can go for switch. Once the switch is on, the fluorescent lamp will glow. So this one is a wiring kit. So mainly this board, actually this things is consisting of an energy meter, single phase energy meter, and a fuse. This type of fuse is called KitKat fuse or rewirable fuse. So where it has a fuse base and fuse carrier along with the fuse wire. This is a safety equipment which is used in all electrical wiring kits. This one is ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker, which is also a very safety device. MCB, miniature circuit breaker, and DP, double pole switch. And rest of the things are in SP switch and two-way switch, including all the accessories like bulb, etc. So all the connections has been made as per the wiring diagram, which is given in our manual, page number 62, 66 to 68. So now we can go ahead for switch on the things. So first we have to switch on the LCB, next the MCB and DP, double pole. So LED will glow. So as per the connections, a single SP switch is controlling a lamp. So the next one is a two-way switch. So two different switches controlling a single lamp. Another example is a staircase wiring, where intermediate there is a lamp, and downside there one switch, and at the first floor another switch. So down, when we switch on, the intermediate lamp will glow, and when we reach the room, there is another switch, and we can switch off the same lamp. It will switch off.